Hey guys, welcome back to this episode of KREC-TECH. My name's Darryl Lane, and we're going to be doing something a little bit differently now. I'm going to start up a series of 10-minute challenges, and I want these challenges to be ones that you guys suggest in the comments. So, please use the comments below as a place to let me know your ideas and things you want me to be challenged on. I only have 10 minutes to complete. But for today, I'm going to be taking on the challenge of designing a web page. And again, as I said, I've got 10 minutes to get the assets and design it. And then I'm going to show you at the end what it looks like. So with that in mind, if you're excited, please drop in the comment below your thoughts on this episode and stick to the end so you can see what we create. Okay guys, now I'm going to start timer in 3, 2, 1, and we're going to go in. So what we're going to do right at the top is we're going to go to a page called Unsplash. Splash is basically free images or images people who are willing to upload them, allow them to be used by others for different purposes. So what we're going to quickly do is, because I'm going to try and design a fitness page, we're going to just type in fitness. Oh, if I can spell that correct. Fitness. And we want to find a nice fitness image, which is going to be able to suit the kind of page we want. We want to have some nice space available on the page. Let's see. We're going to keep scrolling. No. There are some really good images on here. We need a bit more open space. Oh, okay. This looks pretty good, this one here. So let's just quickly click on that one. We're just going to download that. There we go. And it's always good to give credit to them as well when you design these pages. Now, what we're going to do, just close that. We're going to jump down here. We're going to open up Photoshop. I've already got a page open here, which is 1920 by 1080. And we're just going to go ahead very quickly. And we're actually just going to get that image. We're going to drop it on top. There we go. Wait for that to load in. There we go. Right, so I'm just going to pull this out. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so right, let's see. What can we do with this? I'm going to pull it up because I want to see her feet. Brilliant. Okay, now put it down a little bit more, too high. Now I want to see the background here. So I want to have something like maybe a sunrise, but I also want to bring my logo in. So I think I'm going to make that background there. I'm going to make that look almost like my logo. Oh, let's click on this side here. Like my logo is the sun. So I'm just going to quickly select that section there. I'm just going to copy that layer so then we can overwrite the top. And I'm just going to go down here, jump to my desktop, and I'm going to go into my logos. And let's just grab, let's take the PNG version. We drop down top. Perfect. I like that. Okay. Let's make that a bit smaller. Put that in the center. Let's drop this layer above. What does that look like? Okay, I like this. This is looking pretty good so far. So you can see that's my logo. I'm just gonna right now. Excellent. All right, now, so next what we need to do, we need to add some text. So I'm just gonna click over here. I'm gonna make, let's see, 3 boxes. Yeah. And what we're going to do, let's give each one, because we want to make it stand out, give it. Oh, what we're going to do is we're just going to pull that layer down. Otherwise, we're not going to see our boxes. I'm just going to very quickly make them all black, because I think what I'm going to go ahead and do is, if I've done that, I'm going to change the transparency, I think, because I want it to blend in with the image. Yeah, I like that. Okay, let's go 50%. Same here. 50% and same here, 50%. Okay, so I like that. Now we just need to add some text in as well. We're going to go ahead very quickly. Let's say we want to get rid of that generic text that's there and make this as well. Let's make this light. Oh, what's going on? Let's do it again. Let's say personal. Click on that. Light. Perfect. I like that. Drop it down a bit. There we go. Yep. Next one. Personal. trainer. Whoop. Okay, let's just fix that. So it looks like this here needs to be above. Let's pop these rectangles down so they don't interject with the text. We're just gonna also move that into line. Personal trainer. Packages. Let's say packages. I like that. Okay. Personal trainer packages. Okay, and then what we're going to do maybe is we're going to put a button actually down here because we want something that is going to be clickable. That's going to send them to do what we want them to do. So let's just let's give that 250. Oh, 250 by let's see what that look like. 250 by 50, and then we're also going to give that the color, I think, of this over here. We're also going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to say 350 by 100. That's a bit better. I'm also going to give this some corners. So it's a bit more round. Pop that over there to the side so it's all in line. And I'm going to put on here as well. Let's say book. Now, let's just reduce that text. Let's say 30. Oh, a little bit too small. Let's say 45. There we go. Book now. Perfect. Okay, so we got some buttons, some text. We've got a background logo. We've got an image. Perfectly fits inside. Now we want to quickly go up here. Got to be quick now because we're running out of time. Let's say home. Make that text black. There we go. We're going to keep that same size. Next, what we're going to do for speed is we're just going to go ahead and we're going to say pricing. We're going to move that up. And then we're also going to go ahead and say book now. Oh, no. Contact us. Okay. Now, everything seems a little bit jumbled up. Again, because we are rushing. So we're just going to move this along. We need some space. There we go. Okay. I'm happy with that. Right. So far, I'm happy with everything there. Now, what I want to do as well is I want to make something a little bit catchy. I want to let people know what it would look like on mobile as well. Just maybe to tell them that they can go there and do this too. So, personal trainer packages, book now, button, logo, top text, nice image. Okay, here we go. So, let's jump back to Unsplash. Let's say phone on white background. Let's see what we get. No. Let's say iPhone. Let's see, what do we come up with? We need just a phone, Aha, perfect. Here we go, download. Let's take that image. Let's come off there. Jump down the bottom. Open up Photoshop again. This time though, I want to take that image. Okay, I'm going to click on this image here. I'm going to open up quickly Photoshop. And then I just want to take this phone here. So I'm going to quickly click on white background. I'm just going to click on this here. We're quick, we're running out of time. Okay, get rid of the background. See if we can get rid of that little bit there. Perfect. Okay. And maybe that little bit there. Excellent. And we've got up here. Grab that image. Copy it. Jump over. Paste it in. Okay, we're running out of time. Got a minute and 20. Quick. Go over here, make that a bit smaller. There we go, pop that to a side. Now I want to get some of this page. I'm going to just go ahead and I'm just going to do that. Going to copy everything. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to click on it, grab it, drop the size down, smallen it. Then I'm going to pull it over here, over the top of this phone. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to create a clipping mask. That's going to attach it to the phone. Oh, no. One thing before we do that, I want to create the square over their phone so that I only clip the inside. So it looks much more impressive. Then I'm going to quickly drag this over, pop it above that layer of the clipping mask. I'm going to create a clipping mask, drag that in, pull it down a bit more, a little bit smaller, pull it to the side. Personal training packages, book now. Oh, and there we go. Okay, I think. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm going to stop there. There we go. Perfect. Right. Oh, that was close. That is our coding challenge of building a web page in 10 minutes. Thank you very much for watching. If you learned anything from that or enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and I will see you next time.